I hope you are well. This is Jamie. I'm going to create this video to show a small demo project that I have done for AirNZ with Selenium automation test program. Now it's already 11 p.m. so my sound sounds a little bit creaky. Please just ignore that. Okay, so this is the project that I've done with Java language combined by the Selenium framework, TestNG framework. So the framework of this small project is like this. I have two classes. One is util classes, which is going to fetch the property value from my property files, and the other one is the main one, which is going to do the major testing function, and this one is actually done by TestNG framework. So let me introduce them one by one. Other than this Java class, I have test data. This one is this Excel data file contains all my testing data, and here it is. So currently I only have one record of the testing data being stored here, but in the future I'm going to test. I can simply add more test cases, more testing data to create more test cases. And other than the testing data, I also have two property files for this test project. The first one is home properties. So this is the web URL of this web application I'm going to test. I'm not going to test or to find to use all the elements of the page. So I only scanned or grabbed the elements that I'm going to use here. And the other one is after click on the submit button from this page, it will going to go to another page, and this page I have another property file to store the elements that I'm going to use in another page as well. And finally, I have a test XML file. This file actually is part of the TestNG framework, and it's like a main entrance of this testing project, because TestNG doesn't require a main method to execute the class. But this one I just generated defaultly generated by TestNG. So that's pretty much is it. Now let me run this project and then I will explain more. So I will run it as TestNG. So this is the one I will run. This one, test AirNZ. So firstly, it launches the home page of AirNZ, and this is now still loading. So then, it's quite quick. After elements being loaded, that's quite quick. Anyway, after the element being loaded, it will send all the information, all the value of those keys that I found from this page, and then click on the submit button. Then it will go to another page. I can simply demonstrate manually, then you will know how it works. So the first method in TestNZ is